Alright, so you want a $45 fix for your engine coolant temperature for your Ram ProMaster van. WiiYii car HUD. Heads up. What's that say? Great for most cars. New. So, brand new, $45. Took me all but 5 minutes to install this thing. And I wouldn't even really call it an install. You just put it right here in your OBD2 code reader port. Right like that. And you plug the wire. Here's a wire. It's actually corded. You want a corded one, and this is why. Because you don't want to have to wait for the Bluetooth to connect. Right here. It has your RPMs. It has your mile per hour. This is what it looked like when it came directly out of the box. It was set up exactly like this. And there's the engine coolant temperature right there. 197. Voltage is 3.9. Direction is west. Right there. That's it. Does it work? Yes. How long did that take me to put in? 5 minutes. Here's a little tab if you want to mount it to the surface of like a dashboard.
And here's the
dashboard, and then there's a cup on the back if you want to connect it, and it does come with this cup if you want to connect it to your windshield. That's it. I mean, that is so simple. $45 to fix that. And what's that cost? No idea. But I'm pretty sure it costs more, and it takes longer to put it in than 5 minutes. Alright, this is it. This is the car thing. The car gauge. You want to see how big it is compared to my hand? Here's my hand. Here's the gauge. That's it. Alright. Peace, guys.